Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to export code from Webflow in 2025. Whether you're a web designer handing off a project to a developer or just wanting to take your site files elsewhere, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. Webflow has made exporting even smoother with their latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's free for basics. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the project you want to export. This is where all your magic happens, so double check you've got the right one. Next, navigate to the Project Settings tab, usually found in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Export section. Webflow's interface is pretty intuitive, but if you're new, take a second to explore. Here, you'll find options to export your code as a zip file, which includes all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets you need. Now, customize your export if you want. For example, in 2025, Webflow lets you choose specific formats or even exclude certain elements to keep things lightweight. Hit the Export button, and Webflow will generate your files. Depending on your project's size, this might take a minute or two. Once it's ready, download the zip file to your computer. Unzip it, and voila! You've got clean, production-ready code. A quick tip: always test your exported code in a local environment or upload it to a server to ensure everything works as expected. Common issues like broken links can pop up, so double-check. That's it for today's tutorial. Exporting code from Webflow is a game-changer for flexibility and collaboration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web dev tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.